Develop the right perspective. Just before the Kurukshetra war was about to begin, Arjun felt confused and dejected. He refused to fight as he failed to visualize the outcome of his actions. Perceiving things in the right way plays a critical role in helping us understand what we should do, why we should do it, our role in the scheme of things, and how they shape our attitude. How to help children learn perspective taking? Based on our experiences, we learn to think in a certain way. Gradually, we begin to believe that only our beliefs are right, and those who differ from us are wrong. So, help your child learn that it is necessary to understand the feelings of others, but it is not mandatory to agree with their opinions. Encourage him to look at situations from the viewpoint of others. Understand that change is the law of nature. According to the Bhagavad Gita, everything has to change. We know that our body, feelings, emotions, and perceptions, as well as everything around us, are in a state of flux. Yet, when we are told that we need to change, we are reluctant to accept the advice or we adamantly oppose it. To be successful, an individual needs to adapt to new situations, innovate and come up with better solutions, and explore new opportunities. So, while you enjoy the experience of being in familiar surroundings, how to help your child accommodate changes? Answer your child's questions about any impending changes. Reassure her that the change would take time to occur, and she will have time to adjust to the new situation. Also, tell her about the positives that the changes could bring into her life. Practice tolerance and forgiveness. Tolerance teaches us to face the hardships of life with equanimity and to desist from using force even when provoked. Forgiveness helps us pardon injustice and overcome feelings of animosity. Both these qualities are crucial to maintain and nurture relationships, develop feelings of empathy and love, and overcome divisive thoughts. These two values form the bedrock of the relationship that bound the Pandava brothers. How to teach your child to be tolerant and forgiving? There is a treasure trove of stories and examples reflecting tolerance and forgiveness. Tell your child some such story. Also, make him read about real-life instances of individuals being tolerant and forgiving. Change the way you think. Having positive thoughts helps us achieve a balanced perspective, stay confident, overcome negative notions, prepare well to meet challenges, and channelize our energy to achieve our goals. So, do not let negative thoughts take over your mind and ruin your chances. Being grateful, meditating, giving back to society, reading inspiring literature are a few practices that can help foster positive thoughts. How to make your child change his way of thinking? Teach your child to be flexible in the way she thinks. Tell her that instead of feeling frustrated at things not working out, she should try and work out a new approach. Practicing this technique will help her adopt flexible thinking. Stay calm. A calm mind will help us control our impulses, stay unperturbed and hopeful through both the good and the bad times, and keep stressor under control. It will also help us achieve clarity of thought, weigh our options, and channelize our energy towards gainful endeavors. The knowledge that change is inevitable plays a big role in helping us stay calm. How to teach your child to stay calm? Children are easily upset as they don't have adequate coping skills yet. Teach your child how to keep himself calm when he feels upset. For example, taking deep breaths, counting to 50, or taking a short break. work for the welfare of the world. Most of the work we do is performed solely for our own benefit. We rarely worry about how our actions may affect others. This mindset makes us act in a selfish manner and detaches us from those around us. On the other hand, selflessness helps us realize that the world is one family, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Our actions should be such that they help make the world a better place and help us bond with those around us. How to teach your child to be charitable? Help your child grow into a caring and compassionate child. Encourage her to donate some of her toys and clothes to those in need, to be helpful to peers, and to engage in volunteering activities. Be fearless. Fear is one of the primordial emotions present in every living being. In humans, fear arises out of lack of knowledge and the consequent inability to manage emotions. So, be steadfast in your efforts to gain knowledge and wisdom. For these are what will help you understand the unknown and overcome your fear and hesitation. How to help your child overcome fear? Children begin to worry and eventually feel scared when they don't have sufficient information about facts. Encourage your child to talk to you about his worries and concerns so that you can help him break down his fears and bring them to manageable levels. Manage your anger. Anger impedes our ability to reason, which leads to confusion and chaos. It decreases our clarity of thought and distracts us from pursuing our goals. The unpleasant experience gives rise to negative thoughts and pushes us towards committing destructive acts. In the Mahabharata, it was Duryodhana's anger that prevented him from behaving in a reasonable manner and caused him to go to war with his cousins. How to help your child manage anger? Tell your child that it is natural to feel angry at times and teach her techniques to deal with anger. For example, belly breathing, taking a time out, practicing relaxation skills like yoga, and reminding herself that anger won't solve problems. Dream big. The most remarkable achievements that we read or hear about are nothing but someone dreaming big and making their dream come true. So, do not be scared or doubtful about dreaming big and putting in unwavering effort to make it come true. At the same time, do not let easier goals distract you and make you lose focus from your higher objective. How to make your child dream big? Here are some ways you can help your child dream big. Encourage creative play. Ask him to maintain a dream diary. Share your dreams. Set goals to achieve. Teach him to use technology in an innovative manner. Help him manage failure. And get him to read books on success stories. Accept that nothing is permanent. The example of day turning to night and into day again best illustrates the fact that nothing in this world is permanent, including success and failure. Those who have failed in their attempts could take heart from this example and keep striving for success. And those who are going through bad times must keep persevering until they are able to change the tide. How to explain impermanence to your child? It is very difficult for a young mind to grasp the concept of impermanence. However, you can try and explain it using some simple examples. Sit with your child and ask her to look at the clouds in the sky. Show her how they change shape or move away after a few moments. Show her a bud that is about to bloom and tell her how in a few hours it will change into a flower.